Hi guys, this is Steve from Time to Dessert. Today we had no food at home for breakfast, and also it's quite a nice Saturday morning, so we decided to go out and get some Japanese fluffy pancakes. I bet you thought this would be some amazing transition video how I'm flying to Japan. Yeah, no, I actually have to go to work on Monday. Anyway, I wish I could go to Japan, but luckily we might have amazing Japanese fluffy pancake shop here in London as well. It's called FUWA FUWA, which apparently means fluffy in Japanese. That sounds good to me, so let's go and give it a try. FUWA FUWA Cafe is located in the Brunswick shopping centre, very close to the Russell Square station, and is the UK's first Japanese soufflé pancake store. The interior of the cafe is very basic, but I think it nicely reflects the airiness of their product, and I always appreciate when sellers are not afraid to show their craftsmanship in the open kitchen. During my visit at FUWA FUWA Cafe they offered 5 different flavors. I went for the blueberry and yuzu cheesecake, and my wife, as always, picked matcha love. As I always say, nothing great in life is made fast. You might have to wait up to 20 minutes for your fluffy pancakes. So in the meantime, let's talk about what Japanese soufflé pancakes are. Soufflé style pancakes have been a craze in Japan for a few years already. The magic is in how you use eggs. Egg whites are beaten to make the meringue and then are folded gently and carefully into the rest of the butter. They are extra fluffy because of the air bubbles trapped inside. As a result, the pancakes are super airy, like soufflé. They also need to be cooked very slowly at a low temperature, and as everything at FUWA FUWA is made to order, that means a 20-minute wait. But at least you can watch your fluffy pancakes being made. Perfect. I love it.
20 minutes later.
We left FUWA FUWA, and I have to say that for my first Japanese fluffy pancakes experience, it was very good. I was super excited. The texture of the pancakes is as expected. It's very fluffy, melting in the mouth. I enjoyed it a lot. It's very light as well, so I think this place is worth visiting, and not only if you want to try some different style of pancakes, but in general as a nice dessert place. And although my wife disagrees with me, I really think that this is not good for sharing. You should order your own portion, because it's so good. This is it, thank you very much for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you have some other pancake places in London which I should visit, and see you next time.